Regression toward the mean, the tendency for extreme and unusual scores or events to fall back toward the average. The concept of regression toward the mean comes from Sir Francis Galton in the late 19th century. In his studies of genetics, Galton observed the heights of 250 parents and all of their children. His experiments showed that the children of parents with heights that were extremely above or below average had heights that were closer to the average. Galton called this phenomenon regression of the mean. In his rookie year, Todd Gurley was one of the National Football League's best running backs. He ran for 1,104 yards, scored 10 rushing touchdowns, and averaged almost 5 yards per carry in only 13 games. However, in Gurley's second season, he only rushed for 865 yards, scored 6 rushing touchdowns, and averaged 3.2 yards per carry while playing in all 16 games. This regression back to the league's average from first to second year is commonly known as a sophomore slump. In this example, a student received 70s on his first 2 psychology exams, but on the third exam he received a 90. If the student is retested for a fourth exam, he's likely to return to his average score and receive a 70. Lastly, when a coin is flipped 10 times on average, it will land on heads half the time, and on tails for the other half. However, if a coin is flipped and it lands on heads 9 out of 10 times, it is likely that the next time the coin is flipped, it will land on heads 5 times and on tails 5 times. In summary, regression towards the mean, which was theorized by Francis Galton in the 19th century, is a type of illusory correlation that states that despite existing extremes, everything reverts back to the average.